What is affiliate marketing? What if you could get paid every time someone bought something, without owning the product, creating anything, or shipping anything? That's affiliate marketing. Let me break it down. Most people think making money online means creating your own product, building a website from scratch, or becoming an influencer. So they never start because it feels too complicated and too expensive. Affiliate marketing removes all of that. You don't need a product, you don't need a warehouse, you don't even need a big following. Here's how affiliate marketing works in plain English. Step 1. You sign up as an affiliate for a company or product you believe in. They give you a unique link. Step 2. You share that link in YouTube videos, social media posts, emails, anywhere your audience hangs out. Step 3. Someone clicks your link and buys. You earn a commission. The company handles everything else: the product, the delivery, the customer service. You just get paid. Now here's where it gets powerful. High-ticket affiliate marketing means you earn big commissions, sometimes hundreds or even thousands of dollars, from a single sale. One sale, one link, one commission. And with the right system, a funnel that captures leads, nurtures them, and converts them automatically, your affiliate links work 24 hours a day. While you sleep, while you're on the job site, while you're on cruise number 41 in Alaska. Affiliate marketing is one of my 10 active income streams. I promote products I personally use and believe in, digital tools, travel services, health products, and earn commissions every time someone buys through my link. No inventory, no customer service, no drama. Want to learn how to build your own affiliate income stream? The Super Affiliate Funnel case study is inside the CHILLSTAR 08 Inner Circle on School. Join free. The blueprint is waiting. Link is in the description. No product, no shipping, no drama, just commissions, arriving while you sleep. That's affiliate marketing. And the Super Affiliate Funnel case study inside my free community shows you exactly how to build your first income stream from scratch. Hit subscribe for weekly income strategies, all faceless, all systems, all built for real people with real lives. Link is in the description. Join free. The blueprint is inside. Build in silence, live in abundance. I'll see you on the inside.